So again, cam was turned off. Oh, yeah. Yo, uh, good to see you again. So last time, around 2 to 3 days ago, we saw um, what a price action around part four, I guess. Price action part one. So a previous video we posted about light trading, and one signal also was given around nearby London, end of the London session. So if you are new to this channel, I'm Sarathi. I'm gonna be posting in this channel about my journey and the things I know, and mostly it's about trading and market stuffs. Okay, so you can subscribe because if you are a beginner or still non-profitable, we can learn together, and I will show my path how I'm going or what happens to my journey. So yeah, it might be interesting for you if you can subscribe and get notified to know, to learn, to grow together. Okay, so well, I'm also posting okay, I'll just set up my display in a minute. Okay, so I also posting a, a signals, free signals on Telegram. So so you can see this is my mm, okay, my YouTube, and it's been since we started this channel around 1 month, I guess so. So we got a good subscribers, not bad, 60 subscribers. And first I wanna, if you are a new, yeah, new user, you have to see my channel. Okay, so this was, give me a second. Okay, so this was our channel, and here recently we posted a buy signal which gives within 2 to 3 minutes 30 pips, and we set break even and closed partial uh, profits, and it's hit the break even. And I don't know what's currently the market was now. So yeah, you can join this channel. We post free signals, and for next month I've been planning for not to provide free signal, like it's not like not to provide, but either focusing on signals, and like I'm trying to focusing on grow my account personally, so I could reach, I could post some uh, technical or strategical, so more interesting and advanced stuff in YouTube. Okay, so yeah, I'm not decided it, like whether I'm gonna post signals or updates on next month. So we'll see. So this is trading resources group. So it's free, as I told in every video. If you want to join, just DM in my Telegram channel. Like if you go there, you saw my ID, my profile. So just DM. I'll let you know the process. Just 2 to 3 steps, and it's free. I charge no. So why it's useful for you? We post only back tested and also a good strategies. Okay, it might be accuracy 50 to 60 to 70. It depends on your wish. Choose your best strategy and learn for yourself. Okay, yeah. So that's all. And can I have a minute? So I will post my live video on this channel. So mostly, even if I'm not posting my what signals, maybe if in case next week or next month, but still I will be posting my updates on the channel. Why I created this channel, so I could track myself, my journey, and either it's a growth or it's a loss, so I could know, right? So today topic, so I always get, oh, this was, I always watch what's happening, like my life, current life, because sometimes you see, even this video when I get to start this, it's actually my OBS got crashed. uh, I think it's because of my uh, PC, because it's not kind of capable. I need to build a new PC if I get money, like I had other plans too. So see, this is a normal basic PC for programming, but I'm running literally more than six softwares at a time. That's why it's uh, getting crashed, I guess. So today's video, you see, we gonna look into live streamers losing their money. So in future, we also get to see why, like, before we getting into the profitable stories and profitable traders who did that, who used this strategy and psychologies and stuff, we had to know why peoples are losing, right? Because 90 percentage of people will lose in trading. That's why they say it's a gambling. But somehow the 10 percentage go through those things, and in certain period of time they will win. Okay, so that's why it's kinda be showing live streamers who were lost their money and why. So by watching this video, I learned a few things that I can make sure I never do this in my future. Okay, so better try to know why peoples are failing, so you can learn from their lessons. Okay, so that's all today's video, and soon we're gonna continue yeah, we're gonna continue the roadmap or the guide that which I told, which is in part 5. We have to do it, right? Okay, so first we'll start with this streamer. So it's, I will just play the video, and once the one streamer was got entered, we will talk about what happened. So these are things which I thought it will be useful for you guys if you were not aware. Okay. Okay. First, I will check whether the video audio is available, because the output which I connected to my, hmm, yeah, I know the audio is not available. Okay, if I was explaining like blindly, like after playing this video, I would be get mad after. Okay, I got another way. So I do. So I just will play it in. I don't know how to play this. Display screen. Why is this happening? Okay. Okay. So, audio setting. Tag OBS. Okay. I'm gonna create scene for video.
Okay, okay. Lads, oh, fuck. Was that my seed phrase? Where the fuck is my flag at? All the flag is out of my wallet right now, all the shoggoth.
His money in a unique but equally painful fashion. He is a dev who is visiting the Sol Slugs site, likely to burn a coin. Sol Slugs is a site that has developed a soul incinerator, among other things. A tool that allows users to burn unwanted NFTs or tokens to reclaim SOL. Hard to imagine that things could turn ugly over such a simple feature.
Okay, okay. Lads,
I'm just now encountering this exact thing. Like, bro, I don't know. Like, if I just play the video, I thought it would be visible to you, but now it's not audible to viewers. So give me a minute, I'll check it, and let's get into the topic. So videos. Seems. Yeah, got it.
lads, oh, fuck. Was that my seed phrase?
Case $100,000.
Where the fuck is my flag at? All the flag is out of my wallet right now, all the shoggoth. Okay, okay. Lads, we're. Oh, fuck. Was that my seed phrase?
Case 100.
Okay, okay. Lads, we're. Oh, fuck. Was that my seed phrase?
Case $100,000.
Where the fuck is my fly?
Now you could hear me. Hello. Could you hear me now? So you guys been watching, man. There are so many people with coming and leaving this channel. They no one told, bro, your voice was not audible. So I checked it again and I thought the video was turned on, but so okay. So the whole part of I was talking was totally waste. The video was not even audible, even my voice. I literally don't like. Do I need to add the video there?
Lads, oh, was that my seed phrase?
Case $100,000.
Where the fuck is my flag at?
It's literally 31 minutes, man. It's literally 31 minutes. I've been talking. Uh, shit. At least they would have give a message that, bro, you are not audible. That's my mistake. I would have checked it again and let's start.
All
Oh, finally. Now it's available. Okay, let's start over. We just find out it between 2 to 3 videos. So I could do it again. Let's go now fast bit.
okay.
Okay.
Lads, oh fuck. Was that my seed phrase?
Case $100,000.
Where the fuck is my flag at?
So this guy, yeah, I told in previous
All the
video that this guy placed its seed phrase. The like in the PC. Okay, somewhere before getting into the live stream, this guy placed this
Okay.
seed
Lads,
phrase of crypto wallet, which is on uh, while streaming on live. Okay, so why this exact words gonna matter, right? These crypto wallets are, bro, if they had this seed phrase, no matter how many millions you have in crypto wallet, they're gonna steal. Even like even some kind of cybercrime can't able to find out who is steal that money. So yeah, he made a mistake. That's a silly mistake. So he lost
oh
around
fuck.
100K.
Was that my seed phrase?
Case $100,000.
Where the fuck is my flag at?
Not only for streamers, so got to be so aware what
All
you're
the
doing.
flag is out of my wallet right now. All the shoggy.
Money in a unique but equally painful fashion. He is a dev who is visiting the Sol Slugs site, likely to burn a coin. Sol Slugs is a site that has developed a soul incinerator, among other things. A tool that allows users to burn unwanted NFTs or tokens to reclaim SOL. Hard to imagine that things could turn ugly over such a simple feature.
It's
Now what?
crypto sites that who gonna clean up the unwanted NFTs, which they say. So, so you can see he just tried to enter into a random site, I guess so. So what he was doing there was login into a personal crypto wallet in random site is dangerous. So he tried to clean up some transactions was done and get hacked, and this guy
And he
was
starts the day off terribly, far from the 47.65 needed to break even.
so this guy actually invested their grandpa's money, retirement money, and he just betting like gambling the money on futures trading, on even on an expiry date, like just 3 days of expiry day, and of course it's a gambling. So someone
He is clearly
give
165,000.
300K fucking dollars, man. I don't know why do these people's doing this shit. Like even I'm watching it again, I couldn't bear, man. Like if they have that much money, they could have a little brain, little tiny like, brain. They could use it better. But if the mind was turned into a gambling mindset, this is what happens. Uh, as you know, again, my camera was troubling. I don't know. It's again reconnecting. So do we wait? Oh, it's already time. Let's just see again.
400 shares in options, where a small fluctuation means a huge swing in profit or loss. And after wasting everything his grandpa worked for, this is what he has to say.
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
In the same way, this next trader blurs the line between trading and gambling with his challenge. Sidechain. Gavin is
So this is where we
investing
left
in a
right
relatively
last.
obscure token called MERTD for a trading challenge. He's going to learn not to invest in unknown tokens the hard way.
Hey everyone, this is Sidechain Gavin, and today we're going to do a little trading challenge on.
The internet is so breaking, but okay. So this guy, what happened here? He bought a meme coin, and as you know, if you
This token
saw
called
this
MERTD,
exact
which
guy
draw some lines.
Everything
drawing some basic
relatively
price
obscure
action lines
token
that
called MERTD for a trading challenge. He's going to learn not to invest
Draw some lines so that we know where our local tops and supports are. So like a top right here.
so it's so even basic, man. Just drawing resistance and support and investing like thousands of dollars. It's so mad. So these kind of things were done by newbies, okay, rookies who started trading and saw some profits. So those people's gonna do this stuff and lose their entire money, and let's say like it's a gambling. They don't have any plans. See, it's
I think this is how you're supposed to
totally
do it.
When someone says,
very
I think
simple
this is
though.
how you're supposed to do it on a trading platform, you know things are about to hit the fan.
Alright, now let's, I hope that it breaks out over this top right here, and then, we could potentially go all the way up.
So what he told was he predicting that this gonna break and move up. He was holding some shares on it. So even I'm not a crypto trader, but if you are entering into particular currency or pairs or any kind of coins, you have to know what volatility and how many people are been trading that. Okay. So in Forex, there are literally $1 trillion transaction happening every single day. So you have to aware of it.
Oh!
So
Oh my
yeah, when
god!
it gets
What just happened? Is this
manipulated
an
or
April Fool's joke? Oh
liquidated,
my god. I have to refresh this.
this is not actually liquidated. It's
Oh my god,
just the
we're at
market cap
$83,000
was
market cap? Holy shit. I'm ruined! I just got murdered! Oh my god, I just got murdered so hard.
And he gets rug pulled, losing everything in a single 1-minute candle.
Oh my god, we're at $83,000 market cap? Holy shit. I'm ruined! I just got murdered! Oh my god, I just got murdered so hard.
Lesson
Here you
learned,
can see,
don't mess
uh,
and high manipulation risk.
that was that guy's mistake.
This
And
next
here,
clip, he has decided to go short on TCS during pre-market, a decision he will end up regretting.
Also, the overall market's red today. The overall market gap down big this morning. So I'm just thinking we might just get a big sell-off in the overall market today. This should be fun either way. It's going to be a fun one. I can guarantee you that.
Yes, he's
It's not looking
using,
very good right now.
EMA.
But screw it. We're just going to hold it. We're going to go for it.
The overall market is down, but this stock doesn't show it.
So a minute for me. I just close my unwanted stuffs. I'm rarely using this camera, but it's turning off again and again. I don't know what's happening. How many times I have to do? Anyway, the camera is not needed.
Any signs of falling.
751 is going to be my stop loss. That's where we're going to get out if this can't work. There's no volume on this thing right now. I need some more volume. There's some more volume. Come on, baby. Get below that 730. Start selling.
He needs volume to push the price in his favor, but his pre-market trade is not helping him out on this one.
We're going to just get below 730 here. Come on. Come on. Sell, baby. Sell it. 731. Sell it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Get this VWAP here. I think we're going down. Seller stacking up there. Level 2. Look at those sellers. Come on, baby.
Finally, the trade seems to be, but things are about to take a turn.
There we go. Come on, 725. Break it. Right here. 725. Go. All right, 751. My stop there. Let's see if we're gonna get stopped out here. All right,
So,
getting out of it. That's what happens.
Actually, we
Play
can
big boy
see-
games, and you get burnt.
And his stop is hit. A tip to not trade pre-market. Of course, it is
So actually, they say don't trade a pre-market, right? But he used a I think if I saw that indicators and stuffs, it's kind of clear. Okay, he used the EMA, which is 200, I guess. It was down the market, so he expecting for short, and the levels were above. It was very clear. Maybe sometimes your strategy won't work. So this is what happens. It's not kind of look like a gambling. He hold some position and he came out with uh, a good loss.
Play
Not
big
bad.
boy games, and you get burnt.
and his stop is hit. A gentle reminder to not trade pre-market. Of course, it isn't gentle for him.
All that. So when you do leave a comment and you talk about how bad I am, just be nice. Because remember, I lost the money today. I lost my money, not you guys.
His biggest loss
Wait a minute, did I see what? No, wrong way!
Go. So this guy.
Wrong way! No. Okay, that's good. That's good.
So actually, it was an anonymous
Yes!
thing on live. So
No,
we
what the
don't
f-
know
is going on
if
now?
it's real or kind of like fake. But
No!
this
No!
platform was very real. So what happened here?
Wait a minute, did I see what? No, wrong way!
And
Wrong
we
way.
went for full margin. Okay. In Happil, use trading on futures.
No. Okay, that's good. That's good.
You can see here, once it's turned to the green, like he were floating on the break even, and why doesn't he? What happened here? Even if he was gambling, he knows that he were floating on the break even, like where the entry was. So he could have come out with $10,000 profit. So what he thought, he was in live, he thought like
Yes!
$20,000, but within a second,
No, what the f is going on now?
10,000.
No! No!
Yeah, future.
Whew. Oh my god.
And
And the
what
trade is a
people
disaster
do
right from the
mistake,
start. Not only does the price go
getting
above
into the
120, it
unbearable
smashes
profit,
right
you have
through
to
it.
close
Right
it no matter what.
now, he's at a 33,000 loss, but it can get
Yeah, 32,000 bucks. Even if you are a beginner level trader, $100 will hurt you, right? So if you saw $10, if hurts you, just come out. Like if you holding it that $10 and you think it will return back, even if it's returned back, no matter man, just come out. That's all I could
much
tell
worse.
you.
No! No! No!
So he could have came out on
No!
10,000, but he almost lost 30,000.
Please no!
So that's what most people do mistake.
Loss is guaranteed at this point, it's just a matter of how much.
Yeah, exactly. Why? Because loss is guaranteed. He almost wipe out his capital. So there is no going back. Oh, man, I hate this man. There is no video again. I can't set it again. I don't know why it's
Please, please
disconnecting
don't
again
not
and
happening.
again.
Oh no, I can't sell, guys. It's after over 125. No! Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my fucking god, dude. I'm so so dead.
So this was end of it.
Is after this. But for this guy, nothing is definite and he stands to lose as much as possible. He has over $200,000 in his wallet and he joined a Telegram group. Those sentences sound unrelated, but they aren't.
Yes, bro, I'm positive.
See, this actually, like, man, it's actually very, very sad and depressing. Okay, so he not even get into any kind of fake sites or any kind of uh, his crypto wallets privacy codes were not leaked. Nothing was happened, but he has 2,000, sorry, 200K dollars, which is in his wallet. He just logged into a Telegram channel.
Oh,
Yeah, I
yeah.
saw
Look
that.
at
That's
this,
the
look at
wallet.
this, look at the soul scan.
Oh
You
my
can see
god.
I've been.
someone hacked his computer. I don't know. Maybe see hackings were happen if they were so like pro hackers were there. If you just click that one button and log in with your crypto wallet, just gone, bro. Your money was gone. You have to be so cautious. So that's why every crypto newsers or any kind of groups, they say don't go to the unknown crypto wallets and log in with your main wallet. Okay, so you have to be
I
aware of
checked every
that.
single
Bro, I
wallet.
made a new
Went to
everything. I made a new
UK.
Telegram and everything. So they're hacked into my PC.
Yeah, but
I
he's
can't even.
he's gonna
I need
throw
to
it through a
factory reset
mixer
my
and it's
PC.
gone.
They have everything on my PC. I need to factory reset my PC.
You'll never find it.
Yeah, I don't even think you should stream right now because if you
Oh
have
my God.
PayPal's connected,
Oh my God,
or
I'm
Always be on the lookout for scams, folks, especially when you have crazy sums lying around in your accounts. This Forex trader is in a sticky situation with a high balance account and he decides to go all or nothing.
One of the worst gambles in the Forex market.
Go,
You're
baby,
wasting the money.
trading
How do you
NFT.
know
I
it's a
know
fake
that
business?
if it doesn't,
Some people will say
Is in a sticky
"Man, it's a
situation with a high
fake account, right?
balance account and he
But-
decides to go all or nothing.
One of the worst gambles in the Forex market.
go, baby,
So yeah, you can see here. I don't know about this RCG market broker, but you can see real account. So if it was real rather than demo, it's of course it's going to be a real money. But we don't know, like in broker they could fake a real account, or not in MetaTrade, mostly not in MetaTrade you can't, from my knowledge you can't fake things, okay. And
Trading
it was going
NFP.
well.
I know that if it
Trading
doesn't go
goes
my
well,
way,
like
I'm blowing
we
this
could
account. Let
have,
me add more trades. I
even if you just copy traded or by signal, or he
know for
just
sure if it doesn't
randomly
go my
entering
way, this
16
account is
like
gone.
0 to
Lot size
16 lots.
16. How many lot size 16s do I have? Trading with the best broker in the world at RCG Markets. I haven't closed anything today. Oh my god, let's see how it goes.
However, the odds are stacked against him. He is trading on info from NFP, or the non-farm payroll, which is a key economic report released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics every month. It also causes huge market volatility, and he has hundreds of thousands. Yeah, nothing could go wrong.
Let's see how NFP go. Oh my god, oh my god. Whoa, behave. Oh my god. Guys, this will either make me a lot of money or I'll lose. Oh my god. Oh my god! Let's go! Ah!
Risking
This
4,000, like 400k
Forex,
for
dog.
100k was.
Fuck this shit. I'm going. Oh my god. Fuck, I'm going back to school, guys.
I don't know about going back to school, but he really should reconsider coming back to trading.
400,000. Oh, then it starts going up. Ah. Let me go to my other
He logging into another
account.
I told you now. This
Let
is
me
a
buy
problem gap.
with lot size 16.
So you just have to recheck if you have this kind of mindset. So you're gonna end up failing. There is no way for a profit.
On the other account.
It irritates me. I skip this.
Dollars in this next clip. This was obviously a huge amount for him in those days. He has made 3 trades for the day, out of which 2 were winners and 1 was a loser. Now he sits at a close profit of $80. Unfortunately, that won't last for.
Okay, I found out. If I run something like this exact, so I'm just searching for why my video is lagging. If I go to the camera, okay, webcam, I'm sharing it. So when I touch that exact software, it's actually getting into lag. I don't know like why it's happening, and I do know that happening because I have to change my computer setup soon.
Long.
There we go. Finally moving in the direction that we're looking for. Let's see if we can't get a push up here to getting denied again there. Looking like we're gonna get stopped out here. Stops me out and then went right back up. Coincidence? I think not.
Price barely hits his stop before rushing to the other direction, and now the P&L has reversed. Lucky, but not the worst luck he'll experience in this trade.
There's 201s, 200s, 200. See if we can break below 200 here on these last 2 contracts. What a time to be alive. I should have gotten out here on this candle. I don't know why I waited for my stop to get hit, but that's the great thing about trading, right? It's easy to hold on to your losers and it's hard to hold on to your winners.
That's true. And with that, he's back at break even. Not for long.
All right, we're gonna jump in there 99.50. See if we can't get this bounce off of this area here. Can't get a bounce. What am I doing? Fighting the trend, baby. We're fighting the trend today. Definitely fighting the trend. I'm
See, actually,
not sure whose idea that.
Order flow tools, okay. There is I don't know miss what it's kind of like future or any kind of stocks. I don't know it. So for order flow, you can mostly use it on futures. Don't use it on mostly like, I don't prefer, like, I'm not tried in Forex, but I heard people were using it on futures and it's working well.
I got absolutely just demolished right there. Just stopped out, went right back up.
You don't fight the trend. It is the trend for a reason, and you should only.
Yeah, exactly. What he did was, and I did the same mistake one setup my history. So actually the trend was changed. You can see easily the market shift was happened in right here. You can see, so okay, my cursor was not seen right in the video. Okay, so the market shift was happened, it's actually turned, but they some mostly in some trades they could have expect at least reversal, like it's kind of reversal, it's kind of retest. Okay, so that's what I guess. So he also expected, but it fails.
Here. Can't get a
So
bounce.
this
What
is
am I
not a
doing?
big loss, I guess.
Fighting the
He just
trend,
lost
baby. We're
around
fighting the trend today. Definitely fighting the trend. I'm not
300.
sure whose idea that was. I got absolutely just demolished right there. Just stopped out, went right back up.
You don't fight the trend. It is the trend for a reason, and you should only go against it when you have a very strong reason to do so. He went against it in this trade and got punished for it.
That sucks. Okay. So this one, man, you had to
Oh my god,
know
I would
this one.
have bid it so hard.
I don't know, like, I don't know full information of this exact video, but it's it's kind of so sad.
Bro, I wish I saw this sooner. At like 300k, I don't want to top blast a million.
I'm top blasting it.
And he has been rugged. See the spike to the 500k? That was it. And although it has climbed back up now, he has sold and doesn't have the token anymore. But it gets worse.
I shouldn't have sold, bro. I thought it was gonna go down to like 100k. I wanted to rebuy if it dipped. Not even rebuy, honestly. I probably wouldn't have, but if it maybe I would have. Like, I did not think it'd actually take 8 that fast. I don't know, it's not working. Dude, why did I sell? This was legendary. It was so funny. Why did I sell? This goes higher, I think.
Probably.
Now the price sits at 3 million. He could have made so much money. And to top it all off, he gets mev'd.
Did I just get top clicked? Wait, did I get top? I got top clicked. And
So
no! You little bastard!
Holy
You
you can see, I don't know exactly what happened that top week they say. So he has another guy, I guess. So like it is like access to him, or I don't know exactly what happened this video, but this is not he's selling, but
You little
another guy.
bastard!
Thanks for the 20 band.
What the
Yo,
So that
What? Dude,
actually
nah, nah, Ken!
his computer and left.
From insane meltdowns following trades gone.
So yeah, so the previous guy, I think he trusted a random one blindly, so he lost. Sure, that's one. Literally, what happened to you, man? Camo. So, there is the yeah. Times I have to do this. Okay, just for my face. Okay, so guys, this is kind of one part. So even if you are a forex trader or any kind of trader, you have to know this kind of things, what's happening, like why they are losing. So of course it's gonna help you. Okay. Okay, we start with this one. Okay.
Wages in one trade.
It's actually entered the video. Okay. So I think I cropped that video fully, but you can see this guy set a setup like you can see that green round was the buy entry and the sell were dragged to the was closed. Very tight stop loss. Okay, so I never used very tight like tight stop loss, and I never done that because you could lose easily by just 2 to 3 candles. It's
Guys,
These are the top 7 wildest trading losses on live. Starting with this day trading streamer's toughest day in a long time.
Let's just get a nice $1,000 day today. Is that too much to ask?
He kicks things off with a short position that immediately goes south as the chart starts to pump, instantly wiping $650 from his account.
oh, 6.
DNF right now trying to get a little bit of a pop. You can see
So
him
guys, you can see I don't know, he is experienced
moment, still
trader.
looking
He
for that.
got so much tools like order flow, and I even don't know what are those things again, like price and so many strategies and stuff. Yeah, anything anyway. But a basic rule like he using EMA, I guess so. So that was above the EMA. The candles are above the EMA, and why did he have to go for short? So if it was above the EMA, it's uptrend. You have to do the buy. Okay, only the buy stocks.
Crack back
That's
underneath $1. If I'm
basically.
on a trade that's already up 99%, I really don't think it's going to be
So
good.
anyway, I know like losing streaks are normal in trading, but you got to know at least the perfect way for losing, right? You not lose it like downshift. So it's above the EMA, so it's better to go for buy because it's in uptrend. Yeah,
Going too much
that's
high.
all
Once we
my
crack these
opinion.
higher lows, that's where daddy's going to be feeling good. Just go out and get myself some nice little chip.
Again, you can see he just draw a line, just a price action, and he thought it would break and come down. What man? It's like 50-50 probability. So he had to go.
Chipotle today. Ask for extra protein.
There it goes.
Uh, give me a minute. Okay. So you guys see, I was wondering why my live was turning, like my cam was turning off. It's my dad. Actually, I already told that I'm going to be in live. If one time I was not picking the call, just leave it. So they keep on calling me. That's why my cam was turning off because I'm using phone, right? Okay, let's get into the topic.
Come on, let's get that dump. Don't you even think about going back above $1. I'm going to lose my mind on this trade if this thing gets back above this blue line. Oh, it's back above that $1 mark. Guys, I am going to...
So he thought like exactly he marked the levels and he came back, he excited, but he just creating a strong
live to
support.
fight another day on this even trade and take a small loss here. Yeah, we tried.
Undeterred, he keeps trying to short the stock, showing a surprising, almost stubborn confidence.
So I'm shorting this play after a 187% spike so far. Currently down $900, shorting it when it's up 185%. I mean, I can't feel bad about that. I gotta be confident about that.
But the market just isn't cooperating.
Break of 155, I will get out of this play. Not worth it to hold it if we get above that 155 mark. Guys, I'm getting out. I'm getting out right here. I'm out before the squeeze. So far on this trade today, it has put me down $1,400.
Trade after trade, the charts work
So
against his strategy.
you can see what you can learn from this guy. This guy was not that bad compared to the previous
Before the
people's, right?
squeeze. So far
Why?
on this trade
Because
today,
he planned at least a basic price actions, and anyway the EMA above he could have tried for buy. But what happens here, once that crossed the resistance, he could have stopped at least for $500, but he lost around 1,500. So that's waste of money. Like he could have came out earlier, so in that big loss he could have traded in another. Yeah, sometimes it's easy to describe it. I understand, like even I understand, but as a trader we have to learn it and do it, experience it. So that's what
it has put me down $1,400.
we have
Trade
to
after
be.
trade, the
Mindfulness,
charts work
mindfulness, like
against his strategy,
always
building up the losses.
cautious. What
If we get the crack, guys, we're going back down to 132. I'll make up my entire loss on the day. We want to make sure we stay underneath this downtrend, though.
His final attempt pushes his total losses for the day to
again,
over 2,000.
again, bro, it's too much different, bro. You can see that one drawing curve line was there. It's too much high. It's and still he was pushing for shots. Maybe he started over trading. You can see, right? Once he lost already $1,500, he told, I'm out, like end of the day. But he saw another pattern. He's starting for another trade. So that's how the over trading goes.
I am out, guys. I'm 100% out of this play.
At this point,
So he now 120% after 2,500. I can understand. Like, bro, we've been in this place, but if it was us, anyway, we've been in this place. We know how it feels, but we did that on beginner level trading. Like now, even I was in like less capital, either TP or SL. Once it was is my max daily loss, I'll get out. Okay, that's how the mindset has to be.
for the day to over $2,600.
I am out, guys. I'm 100% out of this play.
At this point, you can see the exhaustion and demotivation set in as he finally decides to step away, cutting his losses after a brutal trading session.
And ladies and gentlemen, at that point, I am going to again wrap up my trading day. It hit my max loss on the.
Okay, he hit this max loss. This guy, like TJ or something. I've been seeing this guy.
Can get blindsided in seconds and lose tens of thousands of dollars.
So why would I continue trying to take longs when we're sitting and hovering at potential reversal areas? I'm going to enter with light risk right here.
He begins with a short position, but the S&P chart immediately rockets against him.
Actually using he trades on future, and I don't know what exact strategy that he uses. You see, he marked down indicator which used for fair value gap, but he draws lines for maybe highs and lows. I guess so, but still it's a stop loss. Maybe I don't know what exact strategy that he used.
No. Let's see if we can flip this around. We haven't even been able to push up above like even this 5-minute high. We might. Yeah, it just got stopped out. I lost 18,000 on this short.
In less than a minute, he stopped out, losing $18,000.
To push up above like even this 5-minute high. We might. Yeah, it just got stopped out. I lost 18,000 on this short.
In less than a minute,
So this is where we are. Our goal has to go like $18,000 as a stop loss per trade. So if you are on that level, of course you are funded with millions, right? Of course you are funded with millions. So you could have set a stop loss on 18,000. So that kind of range we are looking for. I'm looking for personally. So it doesn't come so easy. I know that, but we will work on. We'll see. We'll stream everything, every progress in this video.
He stopped out, losing
see.
$18,000.
I'm still going to be looking for shorts here. I'll go ahead and go light risk here.
He quickly enters another short, but again, the market surges almost instantly.
So again, he losing this trade, I guess so.
Only this time he gets stopped out even quicker than expected.
Whoa.
But he got out so soon. Okay.
Bro.
So he
I mean, we'll see if I would have gotten stopped out.
This guy was good. Like he knows that the market was so impulsive. So there is no use for waiting and watching that hits himself. That's foolish. So yeah, not bad. So if he losing that much money with the kind of strategies and patience, of course he's been a good trader, right? It's maybe it's a big loss of his day.
Quick back-to-back losses showcase more noise.
I don't want to fucking hear what.
So,
dude, that's unfortunate trading day for me today, but it is what it is.
And speaking of bad days, the next trader session unravels with a bit more noise.
I don't want to fucking hear what anyone has to say. I don't give a fuck.
Washington takes a dramatic turn. You can see the TAT Technologies chart on his screen.
I'm gonna take it right there just to lock it down. Don't want to get stuck in some stupid bounce back up on TATT short there.
Okay, he already told like TATT, I don't know what is that, and just bounce trade. Like, bro, it's not even a good setup or anything, and you can see he just manipulated by his live chat. Okay, so that's what I told. I don't trade on live. Like, even if I trade, I don't show it on live stream, the real money. So because it manipulates you. I don't know how to say. Until if I get matured for that, I don't show it.
He enters a short position and quickly locks in a small profit, but he's still in the red overall for the day.
And there it goes, down there to the 590s. God, I don't know why I look at the chat. I don't want advice from anybody. It's crazy. Look at my P&L.
Actually, you see, the last candle was a green one. That is mentioning he took a buy trade, okay? But what happens, he thought the resistance was so strong, right? It's already retested, man. Why do you ever trade again? That is the risk. Even if you are risking, you have to know some confirmations or something. Sometimes it fails.
Oh my.
But right after he exits, the price takes an even sharper dive.
I just blew a fucking brain. Oh my.
He takes a quick glimpse at his PNL before completely losing his cool and yelling at the chat for their unsolicited advice, clearly regretting engaging with them in the first place.
Yeah, he hates his live chat people's. Like, what happened was he was trading good, like 1 of 2 to 3 trades is in profit. You see that one red mentioned in the portfolio PNL. So that was happened like chatting with peoples and randomly trading. So they forgot to do what exactly had to do or close the trade or something. So yeah, that's also a mistake. Have to be cautious once we open the trade. Or either SL or TP we have to say.
Why do I ever listen to anyone in the chat? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? Why the fuck are you still arguing me? Like, why are you even here?
It's clear he's frustrated, knowing he could have made significantly more, especially since it was the chat's advice that convinced him to take profits early.
This is why I don't do live streams. I don't want to hear what anyone has to say. I don't give a not live streaming anymore. I'm not live streaming anymore. Everybody's Warren Buffett on YouTube. Everybody's Warren Buffett. So why the does anyone try to tell me what to do? It's like, why? Every single.
Like, I don't know if he's that emotional for that money. If he has experience, why I had to trade that exact money, man? There is no use. Like, still reminds me like a beginner trader with
Alright,
so much
getting in, we're
knowledge.
going to like a lead inch right there because as you can see,
So
our
this guy
candle
we
break
saw it
already
before,
took
right?
place, but going
He
for a small
sets
1-to-1 right here. Let's see if we can get a dub right now.
You can almost feel his anticipation as the numbers initially fluctuate, even teasing him with a brief moment of profit at $640.
We're in the profit, guys. That's it.
okay. Actually, yeah, you can see he is already in profit, but he took very tight stop loss. If you are using very tight stop loss, man, you could have just closed it with your profit, right? If you were trade with
Really looking nice. Hopefully, we can keep the same momentum.
like around
But then,
$400,
the market brutally turns. His face, initially hopeful, visibly sinks with each passing second as the
It's
red
okay, he
candlesticks dominate the screen.
Nah, bro, this is a sticky one, bro. What's going on, bro?
You can see the mounting tension on his face as he watches his profit plummet,
Can I get a reversal, please?
ultimately closing out the trade at a significant
I'm not
loss of
laughing
$2,100.
because of what he asked. Like, I'm not asking everyone as a beginner or even in trader, we expect to get the trade into our entries or reversal. Actually, on that time, it hurts. And it seems he is a professional trader and he looks so calm. So chill.
Sticky one there, guys. That's it for the trade. Peace and love. I'm out.
Now, for a clip that became infamous in trading circles for good reason. This one is an absolute classic in the finance community.
So this guy,
We're watching a young trader,
so you can see this guy literally trading $50,000, more than $50,000 on Apple futures, and he calls a put option which is for sell. Okay, so it actually works that price, that exact price has to go down on certain period of time or a day. That's all.
initially
So you can see what happens. Actually, trading on a day, like the day is started. So the news has been started, I guess. So that was they mentioned in the video. So trading on news, how serious, deadly serious, and it's gambling. Literally, you can see the results. It surged.
The worst part is that he used a glitch in Robinhood to illegally borrow
Negative.
$48,000, and now he has to return all of it.
He's broke, bro. He's gone broke. That money is
Crypto trader went big with a 40x long on Bitcoin. Watching his position briefly hit.
So, I personally hate this guy. Literally hate this guy. If you watch this video, so this is the maddest thing that any trader can do. Like, I don't know, maybe he is a good trader or best trader. You can
At
see
a
what happens.
$100,000 profit.
So you can see he is holding a BTC. So, is that a BTC? It looks like NAS 100. Okay. Okay. By a luck, I don't know, like by luck or his strategy. Anyway, he hold it so long, it gives man $100K, man, USDT. It's kind of currency, but if it's almost a USD. Okay, 100K. Any traders can close this up money, right? So greediness. What does greediness does? You can see here.
But instead of cashing out, he gets greedy and holds, hoping to get even more.
I don't know, bro. How are you expecting for 200K? Man, 100K is a good money, of course. If it turns, you can see where is his hustle was.
Then the market aggressively dips, and you can tell it's tied to a major news drop, because even the S&P flips from green to red in seconds.
Yeah, of course. And if he has experienced, if it turns in maybe news or something, still 30k is there. See, you can see. Still that much this guy was holded and it's reversed just 1 minute cap. Just 1 minute cap. This is insane, man. This is insane. First, yes, sir. Now he's relaxed. Man. What? I'm even getting so. This is bullshit. This is totally bullshit because you got to be know when to get out. Even he becomes how many like how much rich, it doesn't matter, he gonna lose it all soon.
Unfortunately for him, he hits his stop loss for a brutal $35,000 hit. And finally,
So that's the how greediness works. Once you get into the trade, you know that money is something like somewhat good. You have to close it partially. Like even he was greedy. I don't want to tell like he's experienced trader. He managing that much money. How can I risk? Like how can I judge him? I know, but it's a basic trading rules. If you get into a good profit, you can close off profit and hold off for break even. That's simple stuff. He missed it.
we close with a play that has a huge emotional
So this is the
toll on this
only
crypto
one woman which is on live stream losing trade.
trading streamer. This final clip.
So this girl was holding a trade which is from the night. Okay. So when she wake up, it was in red.
But the market had other plans. She wakes up to a harsh reality, a $400 loss.
So you can see she doesn't have a bed. Like he almost
Already a
invested every
significant
money, I
hit.
guess so. $500 around 550.
You can see her frantic reaction, eyes wide with disbelief as the numbers keep dropping.
Okay, so she was expecting like that's every trader's reaction. If there was a beginner, actually she told like
She even starts to pray, desperately pleading for the market to turn around.
she literally sad like she's crying.
However, the downtrend
You
continues.
can saw that one line that she told.
Continues, pushing her losses past $600
Where was that?
until her
Okay. She lost. I don't know why she is praying, man. The market doesn't react. Of course. So in Korea, like I think she is Korean. So you can see that number in that currency almost 6 lakh. Okay. So that is big for them, right? So you know, $1,000 in Indian currency around 80,000 or 85,000. Yeah. So what you saw in $600. So okay. Okay. So this was final video, and we know we almost covered every live streamers what happens and what happening bad for them, and we learn from them, right? So guys, I'm just posted this so if new traders were there, they could know and they could understand why like what are the basic stuffs and things where happen. Like if you go mad, it's not happened every time, I know that. Even I made few mistakes from this exact video as happened, like trading, over trading again and again once I lost. So what I want to say at the end, be cautious while you are trading. If you can't accept your loss, do not enter into the trade and risk that money. Okay, so for now we'll end this stream. Good night, bye bye, see you, peace.